Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap. Alright, let's begin. First, open CoinMarketCap and select the coin you want to buy. Head to the exchanges section and choose your coin such as BTC, ETH, or any other crypto asset. Crypto assets are traded in pairs. The largest coins usually have pairs with major government currencies like US dollar or British pound. This means you can buy crypto directly using these currencies. You can purchase at the current market price or set a specific price. If you set a price lower than the current market rate, the transaction will only go through if the coin drops to that price. Otherwise, it might take time or not happen at all. For smaller coins without fiat currency pairs, you need to trade using another crypto asset like BTC, ETH, or a stablecoin based on the US dollar. To do this, select the coin you want to buy, choose BTC or another supported coin, and make your purchase. After a few seconds, your account will show BTC instead of your original currency. Now, use BTC to trade for your desired coin. The exchange will happen at the current coin to market rate. So that's basically how you can buy crypto from CoinMarketCap, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.